Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are in the market for a brand new gaming laptop in 2026, you already know that the competition is incredibly fierce. But what if I told you there is one laptop that seems to check absolutely every single box for gamers, creators, and business professionals alike? Today, we are taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2026 Lenovo Legion 5A. This isn't just any regular laptop update. We are talking about a massive leap forward featuring the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphic card, a stunning 15.3-inch OLED WQXGA display, and the ultra-efficient AMD Ryzen 7 250 processor. Whether you are looking to dominate in the latest AAA games, render 4K video flawlessly, or just want a sleek, powerful machine for everyday productivity, this might just be the holy grail of 2026 laptops. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to mention that I have dropped a link in the description in the pinned comment below. If you want to check the current pricing, read more customer reviews, or pick up the Lenovo Legion 5A for yourself, that link will take you straight to Amazon for the best available deal today. Prices on these highly sought-after rigs fluctuate all the time, so definitely click the link to see today's lowest price. Alright, let us kick things off with the design and build quality. Lenovo has always been famous for creating gaming laptops that don't scream gamer when you take them into a coffee shop or a boardroom. The 2026 Legion 5A continues this legacy beautifully. It comes in a gorgeous, stealthy Eclipse Black finish that looks incredibly premium and professional. It's crafted to perfection, with dimensions sitting at 13.58 inches long, 10.05 inches wide, and an incredibly thin 0.79 inches thick. Think about that for a second. Sub 1-inch thickness for a machine packing this much power. And the weight? It comes in at just 4.1 pounds. For a dedicated gaming laptop, 4.1 pounds is remarkably portable. You can throw this into your backpack and carry it around campus or on your daily commute without feeling like you were lugging around a brick. It perfectly blends the form factor of an ultrabook with the raw, uncompromising performance of a heavy-duty gaming rig. Now, let us talk about what is arguably the star of the show, the display. Open the lid of the Lenovo Legion 5A and you are greeted by an absolutely breathtaking 15.3-inch OLED WQXGA display. If you've never used an OLED laptop before, you are in for a life-changing experience. Traditional LED screens simply cannot compete with the infinite contrast ratio and perfect inky blacks that OLED technology provides. The native resolution here is 2560 by 1440 pixels. This 1440p sweet spot is exactly what you want for a 15-inch screen. It provides a ridiculously sharp image for reading text and editing photos, but it doesn't overly tax the graphics card the way a full 4K display would while gaming. Speaking of gaming, this OLED panel boasts a lightning-fast 165Hz refresh rate. Whether you are tracking enemies in fast-paced competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends, or just scrolling through web pages, everything feels incredibly fluid and buttery smooth. There is zero ghosting, no screen tearing, just pure, immersive visual perfection. But a beautiful screen is nothing without the horsepower to drive it, right? So let's look under the hood. The 2026 Lenovo Legion 5A is powered by the next-generation AMD Ryzen 7 250 processor. Clocked at a base speed of 3.3 GHz, this CPU is a monster when it comes to multitasking and heavily threaded workloads. AMD has been absolutely crushing it in the mobile processor space, and the Ryzen 7 250 offers incredible efficiency, meaning you get massive performance without the laptop turning into a space heater. Paired with that incredible Ryzen processor is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 dedicated graphics card. We've all been waiting to see what the 50 series GPUs can do, and the RTX 5060 does not disappoint. Utilizing the latest DDR5 graphics RAM technology, this GPU handles ray tracing and advanced AI upscaling like an absolute champion. You can expect to play the newest, most demanding games at high settings on that beautiful 1440p screen without dropping frames. And if you're a content creator, the rendering times in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve are gonna blow your mind. To make sure there is zero bottlenecks, Lenovo has packed this machine with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. Let me repeat that. 32 gigabytes of the latest DDR5 memory right out of the box. You don't have to worry about upgrading this machine anytime soon. You can have dozens of Chrome tabs open, run Spotify, have Discord running in the background, and be actively gaming all at the exact same time without a single stutter. For storage, you're getting a blazing fast 1 terabyte solid-state drive. A 1 terabyte SSD gives you plenty of space to store your massive game libraries, huge video files, and your everyday documents. Games load up in seconds, and booting up Windows 11 Home takes almost no time at all. It's the definition of snappy. Now, one of the biggest complaints with gaming laptops has historically been battery life. You usually have to keep them plugged into the wall 24/7. But thanks to the incredible power efficiency of the AMD Ryzen 7 250 and smart power management from Lenovo, the Legion 5A is breaking all the rules. The built-in lithium-ion battery promises up to 11 hours of battery life on a single charge for standard use. Yes, you heard me correctly, 11 hours. That means you can take this to work or school, take notes, browse the web, watch YouTube videos, and you won't even need to bring your charger. Obviously, if you boot up a heavy game on battery power, that number will drop. But for everyday tasks and entertainment, 11 hours is class-leading for a dedicated gaming machine. It even boasts up to 33 hours of standby time. Let's touch on connectivity and input devices. The laptop comes equipped with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility via the RQO 802.1x wireless standard, ensuring you have the lowest latency possible for online gaming, even on crowded networks. You also get Bluetooth, HDMI out for connecting to external monitors or your big screen TV, and multiple USB ports to connect all your peripherals like external keyboards, gaming mice, printers, and storage drives. The built-in touchpad is smooth and responsive, and the built-in webcam and stereo speakers make it perfectly capable for Zoom meetings and business calls right out of the box. So, who is the Lenovo Legion 5A for? Honestly, it's for everyone who refuses to compromise. It's for the hardcore gamer who wants high frame rates on a spectacular OLED screen. It's for the video editor or 3D artist who needs robust NVIDIA rendering power and accurate colors. And it's for the business professional who wants a powerful, fast, reliable computer that looks sleek and elegant in an office setting. Earning a perfect 5.0 out of 5 stars from early customer reviews, it's clear that Lenovo has knocked it out of the park with model number 83Q70002US. If you want to future-proof your setup for the next several years, the 2026 Lenovo Legion 5A is easily one of the best investments you can make. The combination of the RTX 5060, the Ryzen 7 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and that jaw-dropping OLED display creates a user experience that is almost impossible to beat at this price point. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup or productivity workstation, don't forget to click the link in the description below. Buying through that Amazon link ensures you get the fastest shipping, excellent buyer protection, and it really helps support this channel so I can keep bringing you in-depth reviews on the latest tech. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge tech reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Let me know in the comments below, what game are you going to play first on that gorgeous 165Hz OLED screen? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.